Hello YouTube, my name is Mike and I'm here to do another unboxing video. This time I'm doing an unboxing video of the Obsidian NX2 lighting controller. Oh yeah, I've been waiting for this day for a long time. And here we go. Now, I am a student of LearnStageLighting.com, and David Henry, the guy who owns LearnStageLighting.com, gives great deals on lighting equipment. Anything you need, he can give you a massive discount. So I took him up on it, and I bought this NX2 by Obsidian. This is my dream console. Up until now, I've been using Onyx on my PC, which has been fine. But I really needed it to come up to the next level because my laptop is barely keeping up with the 4.4 release. And now they come out with this new 4.6 release. I gotta have an SSD drive and all this high-end hard. That laptop, for me to buy a laptop equal to this would be thousands. So I said, you know what, I've been thinking of getting a wing, an NX2 wing anyway, and if you add the cost of the wing and the high-end laptop with a touchscreen, I'm within striking distance of this anyway. I might as well just get this, so I did. So I got myself a 0% interest 15-month credit card. And Viola, here she is 1 week later. Thank you, Dave, for the awesome discount. Here we go. So guys, on all my unboxing videos, you are watching the first opening. I didn't retape it. I didn't check just to make sure. No. Genuine unboxing video. You are seeing it for the first time, just like I am. So excited. And there's nothing. This phone is lots of styrofoam. All right, good quality styrofoam. Probably try to find a use for that. Oh guys, look at this. I'm gonna do this without breaking it. Says right here, you get a free capture license included with this console. It's taped right on it, so you can't forget it. All right, ooh. Cool. I'll definitely check that out. Oh, that's so sweet. Look at all this stuff. This isn't really a review video, it's just an unboxing, but I gotta tell you, this feels like ooh, this is quality. Oh, that's so nice. Oh, that's, you know what? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's see what else we got. I don't know if you can see this a little off camera. I should, for an unboxing video, I should have it in frame. I hope you can still see that. More high quality styrofoam. Oh, always love to see an owner's manual. I've already downloaded the PDF. Owner's manual. This isn't the full thing, obviously, but it's nice that they included something. Oh yeah, I was concerned about this. I was reading online that you need at least a 16 gig flash drive, and the best I had was 8, and I was really worried that I couldn't use the console. Right out of the box, I could only look at it without the flash, because you have to load the latest OS in there, you know, that you do. Plus the Dylos library and all that stuff. But I later learned, and what I am relieved to find is, in fact, is it 16 gigabyte flash drive on the end of a nice, I'm going to wear this around, a dust cover, again high quality. Oh yeah, it's better than some clothes I have. This meant to go on with the cover clothes, so we'll deal with that later. And this is going to be a very high quality USB cord. A proprietary power supply unit, like I've heard so much about, and a power supply cord that plugs into the power supply unit that plugs into the back of the unit. Oh, what is this? Oh, light. I forgot. Here is the LED light that comes with. It goes into the back of the board, I'm told. The console. Oh man, this is going to be fun. Oh yes. Oh, I know what I'm doing this weekend. All right, guys. Obsidian NX2. Dave, thank you for the killer discount. LearnStageLighting.com. Link in the description below. It will never be this clean again. So satisfying.